today we'll be talking about lexical verbs, auxiliary verbs, and dummy do's. Lexical verbs are also known as content verbs, main verbs, or full verbs. They can be either actions, events, or states. So Martin jumped on the table. Jump is a lexical verb and it's an action because it's something Martin actively does. The book ripped apart. That's an event that happened to the book. It's not an action it's doing, it's an event that happened to it. I believe the teacher, which you should always do, is a state because it states the status quo from the students. They believe the teacher. Lexical verbs are always the most important verb in a sentence, and it says the main thing about what's happening. So auxiliary verbs can be split into two different things. There are modal verbs, which we won't be talking about in this video, and there's the be, have, and do parts. They always support lexical verbs. So that means an auxiliary verb cannot stand alone in a sentence. It needs a lexical verb. So let's look at be. Be can be in two different forms. It can be in progressive or passive. So in progressive, we have I was eating pizza. This is also known as the ing form. So was is the auxiliary verb supporting eating. In the passive form, pizza was eaten. And again, we have was, the auxiliary verb supporting the lexical verb. In the have form, we only have one type. It's the perfectum, which is I had eaten pizza. So had is again the auxiliary verb that supports the lexical verb. Do, also known as dummy do, has a few different forms. There's the negative form, which is I don't like pizza. So don't is do not, and that supports like. So don't is the auxiliary verb, and like is the lexical verb. We also have questions. There's do you like pizza? So do, again, auxiliary verb supporting like, which carries the main meaning of the sentence. Or there's which pizza do you like? So again, do supporting like, which refers to the actual question. So dummy do's, like we just spoke about before, still has negative clauses and questions, but it does have something called tag question as well. So it's a statement followed by the dummy do. So he likes pizza, doesn't he? Where does again acts as the auxiliary verb to the main verb, to the lexical verb. Again, we have the negative clause, I don't like pizza. Don't is the lexical, like, or don't is the auxiliary, like is the lexical. We have do you like pizza? Do is the auxiliary, and which pizza do you like? So I hopefully explained a few things about lexical verbs, auxiliary verbs, and the dummy do. And if not, feel free to rewind the video and listen again. Thank you.